Stanley Park is an ancient 1,000-acre rainforest in Vancouver. With around 500,000 trees, it became a designated park in 1888 and opened by its namesake, Lord Stanley, British Governor-General of Canada. Nearby is a statue of Rabbie Burns, the famed Scottish poet. There's plenty of wildlife here, including herons, a variety of ducks, and cormorants, which I spotted from the sea wall. The Stellar jay and the inevitable crows. And squirrels too. Also a Douglas squirrel, which is easy to mistake for a red squirrel. A rare sighting for me was this barred owl, which seemed quite tame and happily posed for my camera. I'm up early this morning to capture the rising sun lighting up the forest and these mighty tall trees, consisting of Douglas firs, western red cedars, western hemlock and Sitka spruce that make up the thousands of trees here. Sadly, many of the trees are under attack by a looper moth caterpillar infestation. Meaning that they will have to be cut down at some point. Not far into the forest is a display of Indigenous First Nations totem poles near Brockton Point. A little further into the park's forest is the not-to-be-missed Vancouver Aquarium, the largest in Canada. A great place to be on a rainy day. Whilst exploring the park, I came across the disused polar bear pit, which was closed in 1997. This is a great place to ride a bike, and the circular 10-kilometre seawall route is the one to take. One of BC's greatest athletes. We borrowed a couple of e-bikes from our hotel, just a 5-minute ride from the park. We've never ridden e-bikes before, so this should be fun. Looking across to North Vancouver and adventures to come. On our ride around, we passed beneath Lionsgate Bridge, the road bridge to North Vancouver. Seawash Rock is a 32 million year old sea stack. On the northwesterly side of the park, several ships are anchored offshore. After stopping for refreshments near Third Beach, we're off on the trail again. Karen presses her supercharge button, and I have a hell of a job keeping up, as I'm in manual mode. So, a left turn here. Whoa, squeaky brakes. Hey, look at the lake. Known as the Lost Lagoon, it got its name by becoming lost at low tide. It's now permanently landlocked. That's really nice. And just a couple of 100 meters away from where we started. All in all, a fab scenic ride. And now, it's ice cream time. There's more to explore in Stanley Park than I've shown here, so if you're in Vancouver, it's well worth a visit.